focus from Bengal now to another political story gaining momentum in the country. One of the most contentious political flashpoints of 2025 has spilled over into the new year 2026 as well as we speak. The centre's move to rename Manrega as a Viksit Bharat Ji Ram Ji continues to trigger a political storm in 2026, with Karnataka now emerging as the Congress' biggest battleground. The Siddaramaiah government has decided not to implement the very new law, with the state cabinet passing a resolution opposing it and announcing plans to challenge the act in the Supreme Court. Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar has accused the centre of pushing the legislation without consulting states, arguing that it is financially unviable, with states expected to shoulder 40% of the expenditure. Karnataka Congress, remember, has vowed to intensify its protest, warning of street agitation to mount pressure on the centre. The Chief Minister will also be convening a two-day special session later this month to discuss the Manrega name change there. And the BJP, meanwhile, has hit back at the same time, dismissing that the Congress campaign is purely political. State BJP Chief B.Y. Vijendra has announced a statewide outreach program, saying the party will take the provisions of the Ji Ram Ji law directly to the people.
The new program of this guarantee they have given, they can't work. This is impossible. There is a lot of difference in it. Because here in the panchayats had the power to take up the work. Now they are telling Delhi will decide. And 40% of the revenue, no state can afford. If any decision has to be taken, they should have taken the confidence of the states. When they, without taking the confidence of the states, they have done this program. It is not, we can't agree. We will go to the court. We will fight it on the street. In every panchayat, we will organize meetings. In every district level, state level, division level, we are going to organize. We are going to educate the people. And we see it is a big failure. This is right to work, right to live. It is a guarantee of work which the program was been given by the Congress party. So in the entire country, no panchayats will digest it. And we will see that every panchayat makes a resolution against this bill.
80 lakh families have benefited because of Manrega. We have spent 21,147 crores in the last 2.5 years on Manrega, giving them livelihood, creating village assets which would have never mapped, which would have otherwise never been mapped by any other fund. We are strengthening democracy at the grassroots through panchayats. That's what we have done for the last 20 years. Manrega was so corrupt, as Mr. Joshi and BJP people are saying. What were they doing for 11 years? Were they also getting funded? Were they taking a cut in that? And suddenly they realized, oh no, the cut is not enough, so they are stopping this. What nonsense is Mr. Joshi or the BJP people talking about?
Manrega is a great challenge to local development. The way they have amended the enactment is going to deprive people of the employment guarantee which Manrega had given them. Change of name, it is that level of politics. I don't want to comment on it. Mahatma Gandhi, this is the land of Gandhi internationally. You want to change his name, God bless you. But what is the act, the way it has been amended? Where is it leading? Is it giving guarantee?
It is unfortunate that Government of India has repealed Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. This is one of the draconian decision that Government of India has taken to repeal this Manrega. Manrega was giving right to work to the people, but the central government has snatched that right from people